Well, I always thought I'd be your woman wearing white, but you ran around with other girls and left me home with laundry. But I can mow more than a washer, and I'll teach you to be untrue. 'Cause now these big green eyes have got it out for you, baby. 'Cause this heart of mine don't take two pounds of being broke. Got one finger on the trigger and another in the air. Wanna tell you where to go, and the other one to send you there. About that waitress at the 5-9 downtown, feeding all your hungers every time you went around. Well, I hope you tipped her well for the service that she gave. I'll bet you wish your cheap spoon didn't get